Hello guys, as I have told you in my previous tutorial that I'm going to show how to change the color of any object you want to and how to select easily that object quickly. So first of all, you can see I have just chosen a picture of it. Now I have the backgrounds. For backup file, I am going to copy it, Ctrl or Command J by clicking it. So it's the layer motion. So and then what we need to do, no, let's just not click this one, let's just Control Z. Let's just layer, pick a layer, and let's just come select option, and you can see the color range. So let me tell you, like, let's decrease the fuzziness, and now you can see the grayscale. So I have selection, click it, and the selection previous grayscale, white, black, and quick mask if you like to do. So I'm going to choose the grayscale. So now you can see there has three options. So if I click it and take the sample of it, like which part I would like to save, like I just want the sample of this t-shirt only. I don't want the figure, body, and even the background. Okay, so what I need to do, just okay, let's just select the quick mask and let's click it, and by this I have to select the color which I want to select. So now you can see, just click it, and there you can see the quick in mask, the selected part is showing up. Like you have to make a remember, like the white part which is actually selected and the black part is not selected. So let's just click this plus icon and just let's save it. Like different kinds of place, you just have to go and keep clicking and just select it whenever you can see. So I also want this to be selected. So by clicking, you can just, oops, I didn't want that. And if you ever make any mistakes, like you can just go over to the keyboard Control J, or in the Mac Command J. So see, I have kind of just select that part, I didn't want that. Okay, so let's just click again, let's just select the part. So here, okay, now there has some kinds of selection also made. I will take care of that later. So let's not just increase my fuzziness, let's just decrease. For just selecting part the t-shirt, I just want to be selected, it has the white mark. So come over here and let's just click OK. So now you can see that click the check option is here already, and easily you have just selected. So these are the thing you can see which parts I didn't want to select but already been selected. I'll take care of that. So for this you can choose and go ahead to hue and saturation. So let's just move it. So what you can see, you just can see no changes is coming. And why this is happening? Just because it has, the t-shirt has the black color, and in Photoshop, like if you have any kinds of like white or black color, it doesn't work on the hue and saturation, as you can see that selected person and is not changing the color actually. So what I need to do, let's just click and just and let's just go to the solid color. So oops, okay, with it, let's just select any kinds of, like I would like to go with this color, and let's just select the mask. You can see the select the, make sure that this is not selected, this is selected. So let's put it by your mouse and click it, drag to the solid color, and it is asking me replace the layer mask. Okay, and I'm going to hit OK. So it has just moved it here. Now we can see, and I'm not going to take this hue and saturation place ever. Like let's delete it, let's just delete it. Okay with it. And on the other hand, you can see like the pink color I have just chosen. Let's just choose another color. Okay, what would be the this color is like any color, like use some common sense. Like when we wear different kinds of dresses, it has not the bright color actually, the less bright color we just wear. So let's just click it. Now you can see it's not doing like the and the corner side you can see the black color, like which was the real color of it. So this is not what I actually want, so do not worry about it. Let's just fix it. So what we need to do, like let's click the mask option and let's click alter and just let's click here. Now we can see the selected part is white and the not selected part is black. So then what will be going like to the brush tool and make sure the foreground color is white. Well, then what you are going to do, no, let's just click keyboard X to change the foreground color. You can see I have already changed it. So let's just make sure mode is normal, opacity 100 and flow 100. So let's just paint it over it here. So that we can deselect the part which we don't want actually to be colored as like as we want. So here is some, let's just move it to the here. Let's just draw it. So it just okay with it. But if you're not okay with it, then you just have to click the X toggle again to change the foreground color from black to white. Then you just have to paint from here to make sure like just this way. Okay, this is part you actually wanting to be the color you get, like this is the part of it. Okay, don't worry about that. If you made any mistake, you can just go over and change your foreground color to like change it again. So I'm just doing it like quickly. I would not make you bored for a time. Like I'm just showing the way, like how can you just go and correction your mistake as first as you can. So let's just click it and hit alter option and let's just click the mask button. Now you can see it's kind of the clear version we can see also. So I will be needing some more to clarify that. So you can see, just click it over and let's just open it. And if you ever make mistakes, just do it. Okay with it, let's just decrease the flow of it and oops, and just keep going like that, keep going.
Now what we need to do, let's just select same color of it and let's just go to the overlay, select and select the color by clicking alter and make your like just paint it over and using the flow as should be done. Let's just click. So just paint it over. The flow should be right now. I think this is the meaning. Okay. So just let's go to it's not actually working. Well, like no matter what it happens. So now you have to like do what do you need to do? It's still like it's still not looking that much
Original we had, let's just check. It is still not. So for this what we can do, let's just double click here and you can see the do option like this layer and underline there. So let's just do a little play with it. Now you are moving it, now you can see, and after clicking like this will be turned into a black, but I didn't actually want it. So let's just alter and break it down and just put over a little bit so that we can understand this is actually a real t-shirt color. Okay, let's just decrease it. Now this is okay with it. Okay with it? Okay with it. So here is the after and here's the later. So you can see how easily we can give the color, like which color we actually want. The t-shirt color was black, but now it is bluish. Like if you click and keep changing your color, it will not change that, it will not make that much difference. Like this is kind of the like a real color. If you think this much, then you just have to come over and just decrease the opacity as like as you want. Okay with it, I will go with the 86. Okay with it, now I can see, I can tell that this is the real color I'm getting. Like, and also I can change it like as it was also a black, and you can get the color as like it's a really nice color. I just love that color. So let's just stop it. uh, let's just stop it to the red one, okay, the pink one, this the clear one. So this is how actually we can easily select and go to change our object color easily. So thank you, hope this is really helpful for you. Thank you, thanks for watching.